rapture event is a worldwide sound-based event.
Between 2017 and 2019, the lost Trump technology was being run through a series of tests.
Amazingly, publicly announced proof of these tests was provided by the 17 team.
Sound waves can easily travel through air, sea, and land. And in the proper setting, sound waves become standing waves.
Usually, anybody will come, he will be, of course, interested. Oh, look at the beautiful statues, and wouldn't realize the important part here, resonance.
The reflected sound wave reinforces itself. It gains power almost like a feedback loop. And it's quite an experience to be in the room and to do this. When the standing wave effect happens, you kind of lose all directionality for the sound. It seems like it's coming from everywhere. And you can feel your chest cavity just vibrate like a heavy bass line at a concert. It's frankly amazing.
As this clip illustrates, standing waves become resonant in the right setting.
And these standing waves can have surprising effects on a human body.
To further illustrate the magnitude of resonance that can be generated by standing waves, watch what happens inside this small enclosure when this man remains physically connected to the source of the resonance being emitted by the ringing of this bell. Speaking of resonance, what is this Shuman resonance we've heard so much about?
The Shuman resonance is a low amplitude, naturally occurring standing wave that is constantly bouncing between the Earth and the ionosphere. It's often referred to as Earth's heartbeat.
What if Nikola developed technology that can raise the amplitude of this resonance?
These two stunning Shuman resonance charts from 2019 demonstrate that technology can indeed be used to dramatically affect the magnitude of these standing waves, and with astonishing precision. Take a good look at these two charts, exactly 1 month apart from 2019.
There's yet another way the Shuman resonance is being technologically manipulated, and this data is being made publicly available through this website in Siberia.
By monitoring the daily report released by this site, I discovered that the normal base amplitude of the Shuman has been rising steadily since at least 2017.
So why would Tesla want to raise the rate of Earth's heartbeat? What if those being rescued out of this matrix are having their bodies prepared for the physical changes associated with the rapture event?
That brings us to this publicly announced test of the last Trump technology, and that is the Mayot ping. Over the past 7 years, I was given visions accompanied by the physical sensation of 2 sound waves meeting with a boom at a right angle.
When you consider that 70% of Earth's surface is water, and that sound waves travel faster through water than through air, it's only logical that Tesla would make use of both air and sea to maximize the effect of his last Trump technology.
Further, to achieve the 90-degree angle needed for the meeting of the 2 waves, each wave would have to be emanating from a source that was completely removed from proximity of the other. This could most easily be achieved by transmitting one wave through the air and one from beneath the ocean.
John G. Trump was known to have led a military team in the development of advanced radar technology.
What if he and Nicola used what was learned from that project to develop a form of radar that could be used to control isochronal sounding waves sent around the realm like a loopback ping from a base station at the bottom of the ocean?
Go to Jetson White on YouTube. This is a military intelligence channel on YouTube. Look up a video called The Last Trump Technology. It starts with Corinthians 1:25. That's a fun verse to read. Anyway, kind of fun to look at. You'll learn things about the Shuman Resonance, and there's an island off the southeast coast of Africa that our U.S. Navy has been guarding for a very long time. And what's taking place under that island.